Okay, so I want to show you guys this tool, this really cool tool to help you target your audience. And this spans across all different platforms, wherever you can use hashtags, wherever you can be using keywords, because that's what you need to get at. On YouTube, you use keywords. On Facebook, you can search keywords and you can hashtag things. On Instagram, like, these are ways to find the people that you're looking to attract. And I'm going to show you a ninja skill, like, strategy to do this, and it's free. And here's another good tip for you guys. If you're doing a live video and you're doing some sort of educational thing like this, and you're teaching and you're putting some massive value out, if you share that into business groups, work from home stuff, just like groups that relate to the topic, then people are going to come back to you, because they're going to see you as a leader. They're going to see you as someone who can help them and teach them further, to benefit them, so they can ultimately make more money and succeed faster, better, whatever it is. So that's a very big tip for you guys. If you're making videos, share them, especially educational ones like this. Like, people need it, and it brings them back to you because they want more. All right, here we go. So here is this free tool that I found the other day. That is awesome. All you have to do is install it. It's really easy. You can install it for Firefox or Chrome, and it basically is a way to optimize your search engine and to find the top keywords of what you're searching for. So when it comes to figuring out your audience and the niche that you're trying to get in front of, you need to know what these people are searching for, and these keywords basically describe where they're hanging out online. Like, the most searched keywords, that's something that you can be putting on Instagram, on Facebook. I'm going to show you this. Okay, I'm going to show you all of it. But this is the tool. Okay, go and search keywords everywhere.com. Get this. It's a extension. It goes up here in the top. And what it does is, if we go over to Google, okay, let's look up like CBD oil, for example. Uses for CBD oil. Okay. So this is what this does. It's a keyword tool that is going to bring up all the keywords and what also related keywords people are searching for. And if you don't already understand how powerful this is, then you just wait. I'm going to explain it to you. So obviously, we know some of the health benefits to using CBD oil, okay? But let's focus on anxiety, okay? So look at this over here where it says volume. 15,000 people have searched for buy CBD oil this month. So the volume is the amount of people that search these keyword phrases every single month. The CPC is the cost per click. So this is what marketers are paying to have these keywords in the search engine optimization. So basically, these keywords that are in these searches, that's what they're paying to get clicks to these keywords and get them to their website, okay? The comp is competition, and this ranges from 0 to 1. So this first one's on the higher end. So that means just like a averaged out amount of people who are competing for the same like keyword search and ranking, okay? They're basically, this is, the CPC is like the ranking, what they're paying for ranking on Google. And in general, when it comes to search engines, like, this is what people are searching on a monthly basis. This is how much marketers are paying for clicks, or even for leads for people coming to their website. And then the competition is the amount of people from 0 to 1. Obviously 86 is high, being the amount of people competing for a ranking with this keyword phrase. And you can also export it. You can just save the whole thing if you needed to. And then here is other related keywords that people are searching for. So you can see, is CBD oil legal? Like, what does CBD stand for? Like, this is the top search. 18,000 people a month are searching these keywords. So for example, you can take this information and you know, okay, CBD oil for anxiety, that's really high. People are searching for that. So if you know that and you sell, you know, like with HempWorks, so we're over here on Facebook and let's just search for this, overcoming anxiety. So look at this, there's pages, okay, 13,000 people like that, you know, 26, wow, that's a lot, 261,000 people like that. And there's groups about it, okay? So this is your audience that you're searching for. You're searching for people who can use the CBD oil to help with their anxiety, and you're searching this on Facebook. This is where your audience is hanging out. So what you do now is go to this page, go look at pages that are related to that, and look at the people that like that and start adding them as friends. Same thing with these groups, start adding people as friends. And then when you get into their inbox and you start a conversation with them and, you know, you figure out what it is that they're, you know, you just talk to them, just have a conversation with people, and you're ultimately going to gear the conversation in the direction of, I sell, you know, CBD oil. Have you ever tried it for your anxiety? Because especially if you're someone who has dealt with this, then it's a personal level and you can relate to people like that. But this is massive. If you have no idea where to find your audience, this is just a small scratch of, you know, what you could do if you sell CBD oil. And these pages have tons of people on here, all that can use this, you know, overcoming anxiety. Maybe none of them have thought about using CBD oil, and you're adding them as friends and you're connecting with them, and they're seeing your posts and your story and everything on a daily basis where you're advertising your business with the CBD oil and how that can help their anxiety. Hello, you're building your custom audience based around what your product can solve, okay? So this is just from those keywords. So we know people are searching high for, you know, fixing anxiety. And if, I hope you're connecting this right now. So we just search those keywords. It shows a ton of people looking for solutions to anxiety. Then you come on Facebook and find out where those people are hanging out, and you have a solution for that. Simple, okay? And you can search anything on here. Let's just search for, you know, home business opportunities. Look at this. So over here on the side, right, success home business, these are keywords that people are regularly searching for. And the cost per click is pretty high. Home-based business opportunities with no startup cost. Of course, that's on the top, what people are searching. So if you're in the marketing industry and you're trying to help people start a business online, like, you know these keywords, this is what people are searching for. And this is what they're looking to find out. So if you can find out where these people are hanging out based on these keywords, like I said, on Facebook, if you go search some of this on Facebook, like internet home business or legitimate home business opportunity, if you put those keywords in, say, YouTube, okay, you make a video talking about your business opportunity, you can use this whole keyword phrase. If you use the keyword phrase successful home business, because it has 3,600 people that are searching for it every single month, and you put that keyword phrase into your tags on YouTube, okay, Google owns YouTube, so obviously it's going to be optimized on both with just that keyword phrase. Same thing with Instagram. Like, you can hashtag successful home businesses. Like, let's just look up popular marketing Instagram hashtags, and people search this, like, okay, yeah, there's that. And then this is another way that you can use this tool. If there's something you didn't think about searching, like maybe you're down here and people are searching for hashtag generators or Instagram hashtag generator, and you're up here and looking at Instagram hashtags for followers. Maybe you didn't think about searching that keyword phrase, so now you're going to go do it, and every single time it's going to bring up a related keyword and what people do search for. So for example, you can go ahead and do this and click on it, and it's going to take you over here and show what the top, you know, best Instagram hashtags are. And for example, if you are a marketer and you're doing stuff with fashion, like maybe you have an e-com store, okay, fashion's a super popular hashtag. this is how you research, and this is how you find your audience. You have to just think about this. Think about what this tool can do for you, and exactly what I just showed you. I just showed you something that reveals how to find audiences and optimize your targeting for them on social platforms. Like I said, work from home, work from home jobs, best work from home jobs, Amazon work from home. Like, this is what people are, look at that, 550,000 people are searching for work from home jobs every single month. So if you use that key phrase and you put it into Instagram as a hashtag, you put it into YouTube as a tag, you search, you know that these people are looking for this. This is another thing too. If you create a website and you're trying to optimize Google, their search engine, you need to be using these popular keywords so that you can rank on here and be one of these top spots. So for example, I have a training website that introduces people to internet marketing and entrepreneurship. So I found this tool when I was searching about Google SEO because I want to optimize my website with the keywords that people are most searching for. So when they're searching for work from home jobs, my website can pop up here as one of the top searches, and they can come over to my website and be like, wow, I can learn how to do this before I actually start a business. Like, if you make your own website, if you're an Avon consultant and you make your own website and you go research keywords on makeup, best online makeup company, these are keywords, best online cosmetic store. So if Buy Me Beauty is a brand, okay, you can put that keyword into your SEO into your SEO integration with your website. If you make your own Avon website and you're using these keywords, you're basically piggybacking off of somebody else's brand that could be searching for that, and then they see Avon and like, oh, you know what, I'm gonna go look at this instead, because you optimized the website you made for what you're marketing. So you guys, this is exactly how you can research the people you're trying to reach, okay? So you need to dig deep and think about who you are and the people you're trying to help, okay? And like for me, I'm trying to get people into online marketing. I'm looking for people who are tired of working. So I could search up here, hardest the lowest paying jobs of 2018, or the hardest, manual labor jobs available, and I could look at these keywords that people are searching for and base my targeting off of that, and I have more insight on where these people are hanging out and how to find them based on keyword research. So this is how you do it. I want you guys to go check it out, go try it, download this free Chrome extension. It's free, okay, totally free. And you can use these keywords. And like I said, if you're searching stuff on Instagram, like top culinary hashtags, okay? For example, at some point, I'm going to make an ebook all about my culinary skills and blah, blah, blah. So if I'm trying to target a niche of people that, are into cooking and want to learn about cooking and stuff like that, best food hashtags of 2018. I didn't think about searching that. So if you're looking on here for related keywords, and you can look at this and get some inspiration of what else to search for and do some research on, okay? So I hope this helped you guys out. I hope it was a lot of value. Make sure to like this video, and I hope that this tool really helped you out, okay? If you don't see the value of it, I'm sorry, I don't know what to tell you, but when I found this, I was like, holy shit, this is incredible. Thanks, guys.